What's up, guys? I'm here to go over a sample half-life problem like the ones you will see on the worksheet. The problem says, if the half-life of iridium-182 is 15 minutes, how much of a 60-gram sample is left after 45 minutes? Remember, the half-life of any substance is how long it takes for half of that substance to decay. This means that for iridium-182, it'll take 15 minutes for half of it to decay. So if I want to find out how much of a substance is left after a certain amount of time, I'll do two different steps. Step one, I'm going to take the total time, which in this case is 45 minutes, and divide it by the half-life of that substance. This will give me the amount of half-lives for that substance that passed during this time. When I divide 45 by 15, I will get 3 half-lives. Once I know this value, I can do step 2. For step 2, I'm going to use the number of half-lives to find out how much of my substance is left over. I'll start out with the original amount of the sample, which in this problem was 60 grams. To find how much of our substance is left after 1 half-life, I'll divide my original amount by 2. I'm cutting it in half. When I do that, I'll get 30 grams. I'm going to label this 1 to represent the first half-life. This is how much is left of our substance after 1 half-life, in this case, 15 minutes. The problem is there's a total of 3 half-lives in the 45 minutes that passed. So I'm going to do this again 2 more times. When I divide 30 by 2 again, I get 15 grams. This will be the second half-life. When I divide 15 by 2, I'm going to get 12.5 grams. And that's after that third half-life. This means that after 45 minutes, there will be 12.5 grams of iridium-182 left. So, to review, step 1 is finding out how many half-lives of our substance have passed during the time given. Step 2 is using this number of half-lives to find how much is left over.